Welcome to the top best. The best medium auburn hair dye is probably one of the most sought-after shades for those looking to add warmth, dimension, and a touch of natural-looking vibrancy to their locks, offering a beautiful balance between red and brown that suits a wide range of skin tones and personal styles. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a more noticeable transformation, choosing the right medium auburn can dramatically elevate your look, providing a rich, inviting color that catches the light and exudes confidence and sophistication. This versatile shade is perfect for anyone wanting to embrace a cozy, autumnal feel or simply add a flattering glow to their appearance, making it a popular choice for a reason. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris Superior Preference Hair Color. For decades, this has been the benchmark for beautiful hair color. Experience the true gold standard that has been trusted since 1973. Enjoy fade-defying color that lasts up to 8 weeks, along with a shine system that creates a rich, long-lasting color spectrum. Discover a wide range of over 50 luminous shades. From bright blondes to deep reds, find the perfect hue to express yourself. Our formula includes a protective conditioner enriched with camelina oil, vitamin E, and a UV filter to keep your hair healthy. Each shade is expertly crafted to showcase infinite tones and reflections. Find your unique signature with this superior preference. What we like. This product offers fade-defying color that lasts up to 8 weeks. It creates a rich, long-lasting color spectrum with infinite tones and reflections. If you are looking for a classic, reliable permanent hair color that provides excellent gray coverage and a vibrant, multidimensional finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. L'Oréal Superior Preference Light Amber Brown gave me the beautiful, professional-looking color I'd been wanting, a nice light brown with just the perfect amount of copper so it looks like my natural hair color. It covers gray hair perfectly and does not leave hair dull or dry. After washing, the hair feels soft, silky and beautifully shiny, thanks to the conditioner it includes. Number 4. L'Oréal Paris Superior Preference Chic Auburn Brown 6AB. Discover your signature look with our improved permanent hair color. It delivers rich, luminous, and fade-defying results for up to 9 weeks, ensuring excellent gray coverage and radiant conditioning. Experience our new no-drip gel formula, designed for better adherence and a more precise application. This innovative texture ensures optimal hair fiber coating for long-lasting color. Everything you need is in the box: color gel, developer creme, shine protect conditioner, gloves, and instructions. Our conditioner helps maintain vibrant color and leaves hair silky and resilient. Enjoy beautiful, radiant hair color that lasts. This formula is suitable for all hair types and provides conditioning for up to 9 weeks of stunning results. As a leader in beauty, we combine cutting-edge technology with the highest quality standards. Trust us for the ultimate in hair color, hair care, and cosmetics. What we like. Experience radiance for up to 9 weeks with its improved formula. The no-drip gel texture ensures better adherence and a more precise application. If you prefer a mess-free application and want a hair color that coats each strand effectively for superior coverage and conditioning, this is the one for you. What people say. L'Oréal Superior Preference Light Amber Brown gave me the beautiful, professional-looking color I'd been wanting, a nice light brown with just the perfect amount of copper so it looks like my natural hair color. Finally, I can stop hiding under beanies and ball caps. No wonder stylists warn against box colors. I think my hair definitely looks like I had it done in a salon. Oh. Those stubborn gray hairs? Completely vanished. This color has a very strong odor when applying to your hair. Ventilation is a must while waiting out the 25 minutes. My hair was almost exactly the same shade as the darkest color shown on the box, and I did not expect my hair to actually turn out the shade it says it will on the box, but it did turn out as I realistically expected and I'm overall pleased with it. This did an amazing job evening out that disaster. Now my hair is a much better shade with what appears to be a multi-tone color throughout because of the cover-up on the bad highlights. The conditioner is excellent, and after rinsing and blow-drying my hair, it was very soft. The color is uniform, natural and very bright, exactly as shown on the box. It covers gray hair perfectly and does not leave hair dull or dry. The application is very simple, it does not leak and the aroma is pleasant compared to other dyes. After washing, the hair feels soft, silky and beautifully shiny, thanks to the conditioner it includes. What I like the most is that the color lasts for several weeks without losing intensity, even with frequent washes. It is undoubtedly an excellent option if you're looking for a professional quality dye to use at home. Number 3. dpHUE Gloss Plus Auburn Semi-Permanent Hair Color. Discover the perfect shade to enhance the natural red and copper tones already in your hair. This semi-permanent color will boost your vibrancy, add incredible shine, and leave your hair feeling softer than ever. Looking to add some luster during the winter or boost your existing color? This is perfect for deep conditioning and adding shine before any big event. We recommend using it weekly to maintain a healthy glow. This product is designed to temporarily boost your color and illuminate shine. Please note, it is not formulated to permanently cover gray hair. Available in a variety of pigmented shades, each application temporarily boosts your color while depositing pigments. It illuminates shine and infuses your strands with deep moisture for truly radiant hair. Application is simple: apply to clean, damp hair and leave on for 3 to 20 minutes before rinsing. There's no mixing, no mess, and no harsh chemicals like peroxide or ammonia, resulting in soft, shiny hair. Our vegan formula is Leaping Bunny certified and free from parabens, SLS, and SLES sulfates. It's safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair, ensuring healthy and vibrant results. What we like? This is a semi-permanent option that boosts your existing color and adds shine. It's designed for no mixing, no mess, and no damage, infusing strands with deep moisture. If you want to enhance your current auburn shade, add gloss, or simply deep condition your hair without commitment, this is perfect for you. What people say. The gloss added a luminous finish that made her hair look healthier and more vibrant without looking overly processed. Her hair felt soft and moisturized afterward, not weighed down or greasy, even after 48+ hours. The color took much stronger than my usual hair dye and it was much gentler on my hair. My hair felt very conditioned. My grays were completely covered, which I was unsure about, but they were covered completely and came out a beautiful light copper that you can see in my pictures. Number 2. Betty Beauty Auburn Betty Hair Coloring Kit. Introducing the first safe hair coloring kit specifically designed for sensitive areas. Get ready to enhance your natural beauty with confidence. Dreaming of a vibrant auburn shade? This product offers a beautiful red hue that's perfect for adding a touch of excitement. Gray hairs are no match for this formula. It naturally colors and covers grays, ensuring a seamless blend with your hair above. Not only does it color, but it also brightens to perfectly match your glorious locks. Achieve a cohesive and stunning look. Follow the simple instructions for a safe and easy coloring experience. Enjoy a natural-looking result with no mess and no drips. Each kit contains everything you need to lighten and color. Get your sensitive areas ready for a beautiful transformation. What we like? This is the first safe color specifically designed for the hair down there. It naturally colors, covers gray, and brightens to match your hair above. If you're looking for a gentle, effective, and natural-looking solution for coloring sensitive areas, this product is uniquely formulated for your needs. What people say. The hair bleaches out to a very light blonde, without any burning or irritation. Works super fast, doesn't stink, and doesn't burn. The color easily washes off the skin, no staining. And the color does not bleed onto your clothes when you sweat. Number 1. Betty Beauty Auburn Hair Color Kit. Looking to add a touch of auburn to your personal style? Red truly means go there with this unique hair color. Introducing the first safe and effective hair color specifically designed for the delicate areas. Say goodbye to dullness and embrace vibrancy. This formula naturally colors and covers any grays, brightening your look to perfectly match your hair above. It's a seamless blend. Follow the simple instructions for a safe and easy coloring experience. Enjoy a natural look with no mess and no drips. Each kit contains everything necessary to lighten and color. Get your Betty ready for a stunning transformation. What we like? This kit is designed for safe and easy coloring of the hair down there. It includes everything needed to lighten and color for a natural look. If you desire a convenient and safe way to achieve a vibrant auburn shade in intimate areas, this kit provides a complete solution. What people say. Easy to use. No dislikes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.